Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Realme phone Bluetooth setting friends. In this video friends we will talk about guys how can we pair Bluetooth speaker. Friends, you want to pair any Bluetooth speaker guys, any Bluetooth speaker guys, it doesn't matter guys which Bluetooth speaker guys you have. As you want to pair with your phone so guys you can pair easily, and guys now let's see how to pair it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you're new in my channel, so then first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video friends. Then first of all open your phone setting to pair this speaker. And guys, first of all guys, on your speaker, so guys, I have on already, so guys on your speaker, and guys click on your Bluetooth setting, and guys on your Bluetooth also. So we will refresh it, and guys you can see available device. So we will wait for 3 and 4 seconds. So as again guys you can refresh it, and guys now you can see your speaker name. So just click on your speaker name, then it will pair automatic. You can see pairing, and it will pair after 4 and 5 seconds. Guys wait here, and guys you can see paired, and guys you can see this sound means it has paired. And guys now you can use while listening song, like that you can listen song also guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to pair Bluetooth speaker with Realme phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video. Bye.